So there are two types of people in this world. Okay, one who say that machine learning is just hype. Okay, it's just hype. It's nothing more than hype. Okay, so people will be like, it is just hype. Just forget about it. Just don't study about it. Okay, it is just hype. People are learning it and just ignore it. There are one kind of people like this. Okay, and then there are another kind of people. They are like, machine learning is the only technology in this world. Okay, there is nothing else apart from machine learning, and machine learning is the only technology, and everyone should learn machine learning. Like everyone. Okay, everyone is in this world, like even a 5-year-old should learn machine learning, because that is required. That is necessary. It is like oxygen. Okay, so there are two kind of people in this world, and they both are wrong. Okay, because machine learning is not a hype. Okay, it is a reality, and it is really good thing. Okay, it is not a hype. It is not completely on that part. Second part, no, not everyone is required to learn machine learning. Okay, it is a total lie. It is not like everyone needs, they need to have the knowledge of machine learning. No, if it is so, who is going to learn MERN stack? Okay, who is going to learn mean stack? Okay, who is going to develop the websites? Who is going to develop the apps? Okay, who is going to develop all this stuff? Okay, you are only going to develop machine learning algorithms. Where are you going to implement all that algorithms, right? Are you going to implement that in your demo projects or something? No, right? You need developers who can develop apps, who can develop websites using MERN stack, using mean stack, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you need developers. Definitely, that's a plus one point. So that's where you draw a line and you say, I am third kind of a person. Okay, so for me as an individual, okay, this technology is base. Okay, so let me draw the third person here. The third person is here. Okay, and what does the third person says? The third person says that for him, all this app development and machine learning, not machine learning, apart from machine learning, all this app development, MERN, mean stack and everything is base. Okay, this is base. Everyone should know this. And then on top of that, if I learn machine learning, if I learn blockchain, if I learn, all these fancy technologies, then that is plus one, or that is bonus. Okay, so this guy can be, you can say he is like well suited and he can excel at it. Okay, now there are also another part. Okay, so obviously it is not like that you should not totally involve yourself in learning all this stuff as well. So there is another part of people, that is fourth part of people. Okay, and I'll talk about them right here. So then there comes another person. Okay, and he really thinks that machine learning is something he should learn. Okay, and his interest is machine learning, and he is good with maths. Okay, he is good with stats, and he really believes that machine learning is something which he should learn. And then he can definitely master all this stuff and then learn machine learning and then do research. Okay, so this is another part where you can follow. So either you can be a developer, means learning the base technology and then applying ML on top of that, or be a complete researcher who is learning, who is learning maths, stats, and then doing research and then implementing papers. Okay, submitting papers, doing research, etc., etc. Okay, so just to clear out all these things. Okay, okay. Now, what is machine learning? Okay, so before we get technical, remember that nothing is hard. It just depends on the people who are explaining you. So if the teacher is interesting, then the topic becomes interesting. If the teacher is not interesting, then the topic doesn't seem interesting. Simple as that. So yeah, so what is machine learning? So machine learning in simple terms is something where we have some data. Okay, and we call this data as teaching set. Okay, so we have some data and we call this data as teaching set. Okay, and then what we do is we train a machine learning model. Okay, or we kind of use a simple machine learning system, and then we pass this data, okay, teaching set, and then we define an algorithm, and then you can say the algorithm learns from this data and improves and improves and improves, and over time it becomes smarter, and you can say that it is as good as human. Okay, so it can do tasks which it was intended to do which training, teaching data set you passed in.